Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm JP with Fire Career Prep, and today we're going to be continuing our ropes and knot series by learning the clove hitch around an object. If you've been enjoying this series or these videos, please do leave a like and consider subscribing, as it really helps boost the channel and help us continue the work we're doing. Without further ado, let's get to it. As I mentioned in the previous clove hitch video, the clove hitch can be used securing a rope to a fixed object like a tree or a fence post, and can be used for hoisting tools such as axes and pike poles. However, the around an object method is primarily used when you're tying a clove hitch at the base of a raised ladder. So when we're tying our clove hitch around an object, I've just got an old dumbbell here, but what I'm going to do is take my working end, which is the end I'm using to form my knot, and I'm going to come all the way and circle my object. Now what I'm going to do is take that working end, I'm going to pass it over the running end to form a loop around the object. Once I have my loop, I'm going to pass it all the way under, and I push my running end down and lift up the loop, bring the working end through and pull taut. And you'll see here I have both going underneath the loop. If I pull one end, it locks itself tight. If I pull the other end, it locks itself tight. And if I pull both ends, it locks itself tight, giving me a nice secure clove hitch. Thank you guys for watching this video. I do hope it's been helpful. If it has, please leave it a like, consider subscribing for more videos. If you have any comments or questions or videos you want to see, hit us up in the comments. We'll be sure to get back to you. I've been JP, and as always, good luck out there.